Hello, my people. How una dey? Money can buy you happiness. Money can buy you love. Money can buy you happiness. Money can buy you love. Hello, my people. I'm here again to talk about Chelsea. Chelsea, 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 Chelsea. Blues is the color. Football is the game. We are together and winning is our aim. I'm here to talk about Chelsea. I'm here because of the special one, the man of the match, Moises Caicedo. Like the Liverpool match, thanks goes to Moises Caicedo. Thanks goes to Moises Caicedo for the commitment, the accurate pass, the dribble, the tackles, everything. For the passion he put whenever he's playing for Chelsea. He never give up. He always stand at the defensive midfield. He always stand both in defensive midfield and at the central midfield. He doesn't afraid of anybody. I'm glad today he was given the man of the match. I'm absolutely glad. And I'm happy he was given the man of the match. Can you see the beautiful goal of Caicedo? If I don't praise Caicedo today, if I don't praise him, it means I'm ungrateful. Caicedo bring back the joy. Caicedo makes me the happiest man on this planet. Caicedo give us the beautiful goal we are expecting against the Liverpool. What a beautiful goal. I'm so happy. I'm the happiest guy. Can you see the commitment of Caicedo in the midfield? Can you see how Caicedo control the midfield? Can you see how Caicedo move with the Chelsea play as in the spirit, the winning spirit? He bring out the winning spirit. Like, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. This video is for Caicedo, the man of the match. You deserve it. Thank you so much, Caicedo. Thank you.